Hi guys, welcome back to Tag My College. So welcome to the hit segment that is we call news, and today's video is all about the news segment. So this one is for the engineering students. Starting of the month they gave an exam JEE mains, and it's about that. So that is JEE mains 2017 result is out. So JEE mains exam is conducted by Central Board of Secondary Examination, that is in short we call CBSE, and the paper based JEE main exam was conducted on 2nd April, while the computer based JEE main was conducted on 8th and 9th April. So every year more than 12 lakh students appear for this JEE main exam, and JEE main exams are conducted for admission to your BTech, BE, BR programs offered at your NITs, IITs and other basically government approved engineering institutes. So JEE main scores are also accepted for admission by many private engineering institute, which makes the JEE main result all the more important. And JEE mains result is also important as it is sort of qualifying exam for appearing in your JEE advanced exam, and JEE advanced is conducted for the admission in your IITs. So here in this video I'll be telling about 3 things you need to take care as the result is out, that is where to check out this result, what would you need while checking it out, and what you need to do after the JEE main result is is in front of you. So I'll be telling about all those things. So very first is the question where to check it out. See, like all other updates and relevant details related to your exam, JEE main result will also be displayed on the JEE main 2017 official website, which is your jemain.nic.in. So that is the website jemain.nic.in, where you have to check out your JEE main result. Second thing which comes in the mind is what you need to have while you're checking your result. So you would need your registration number, your password that is created while doing the JEE main registration process. Keep your JEE main 2017 admit card handy while checking out your result. So that was the second most important thing you need to take care. The third thing is what you need to do. That's the main thing. Like, first take out the printout of your scorecard. Second, if you have qualified for JEE advanced exam, then move over to your JEE advanced website and get complete details about JEE advanced application process, which will be basically starting from tomorrow onwards, that is your 28th. So that was the first 2 things you need to take care: scorecard and looking out for the JEE advanced. And in case you have not qualified for JEE advanced, don't worry guys, check out your options where you can get your admission based on your all India rank. So for this you can refer to the previous year cutoff marks for various engineering institutes, and very soon we'll be releasing a cutoff video as well, so you can just check it out that in case. And in case you don't make the cut or have a low score, don't get disheartened. There are many other options, many other things, or many other ways you can just make it things happen up. So that was all for this video. Do subscribe us, do not forget to subscribe us at TagMac College, so you will be getting more updates about this exam, the cutoff and other things. So keep checking it out guys, and keep subscribing and keep watching. Till then, bye bye and